For some reason, speed 1 does not work. On this fan, you can see the lighter doesn't light up or anything. If any of you know why that, it's like the button is mute or something. If any of you know why it would be doing that and have an answer of like an easy way to fix it, that would be great. If not, it's fine. Speed 1 isn't really that necessary, but if any of you do know an easy way to fix it, just comment below. Thanks. Here's speed 2. This is speed 3. Just in case you couldn't tell, the speeds are some of the speeds are a little bit subtle to tell the difference. Like, there's not a huge difference between some of the speeds. Speed 4. Speed 5. And speed 6. And I'm assuming most of you know, but any of you that don't know, this fan is a DC motor. And it's very, very quiet. You can basically hear no sound from the motor, which is really good. And it does blow a lot of air. And here is reverse. I can even feel a little bit of heat coming from it when it's on reverse, which usually, although I know most fans are supposed to put down heat, they're supposed to take heat up from the air and push it down. I usually don't notice a difference when it's on reverse, but I kind of do. I sort of, yeah, I do here. Alright, let's go from the top to look at a top view of it. And you can feel the air